Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent these rattan bar stools. These things look so neat. They've got a nice wooden top with the rattan weave in here, and then the whole bottom of it is just a steel frame. And this thing was super easy to put together. Now this bar stool sits about 26 inches high from the seat, and then a total of 33.8 inches at the top. One of the best things is this nice little footrest. I love that it has the footrest. It has a nice little low back here so you can actually move around a little bit and enjoy your seating. So the footrest goes on all the sides, so if you did want to talk at the other side, you can definitely do that. But these are a really nice seat. On the bottom, they do actually have a rubber pad at the bottom. So whenever you are moving it around, it just kind of moves around with you. The chairs all around are pretty light. These are the rubber pads. They are adjustable, so if you did have an area that was maybe a little bit off, you can move the seats around and have your chair to where it is then level. But these are nice little chairs that would look good in any setting.